Hello and welcome. This is Ahmed Ali from AffiliateMarketingBreakthrough.com coming to you today with another video about the 4 minutes traffic generation platform where you only need 4 minutes per day of work in order to generate daily traffic to your offer. In this video, I'll share with you my actual results from using this system so you will know if this traffic really works or not. Also, I'll share with you how to access and copy my own marketing funnel so you can start promoting the same system if you want to. There are a lot of people who are interested to learn more about traffic or to use a simple done for you traffic system like this, spending only 4 minutes per day, and it doesn't require any kind of special skills. And by promoting the system and get other people to sign up, even for free, you will still get some benefits by getting even more traffic credit added to your account once those people start using the system consistently, in addition to generating affiliate commission if they decided to upgrade. So with that being said, let's get it started. Now, first of all, if you didn't sign up for the Freakin Minutes platform yet, click on the first link in the description of this YouTube video and it's going to redirect you to this page. Here you can watch this short video, it's just a couple of minutes video to explain to you about the system briefly. And after that, you can sign up using the button you see below this video to sign up through my affiliate link, or you can use the link under step 1. All you have to do actually is to follow the instructions in this video. This video is going to explain to you everything and how to sign up and how to get started. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to sign up through my affiliate link by clicking on this button, and that's going to redirect you to the sign up page. You can sign up and create an account and confirm your account by getting the confirmation code in your email. After that, you will be able to log into your account, and that's all what you have to do in this stage. After that, step 2 is to sign up for the funnel builder platform, which is LeadsLeap, in order to be able to copy the same exact funnel I'm using here. So if you already have a LeadsLeap account, you can just skip this step. If you don't, you can just click on this button here and sign up for a free LeadsLeap account. Then after that, the third step is to access my training course. And that's by clicking on this button here. Make sure to follow the instructions in order, don't rush. You need to watch this video here first of all. It's a very short video. Then after that, you'll be able to get access for free to the training area. You can click on buy now, but actually you're not going to pay anything, and you don't need to use even your credit card. You just need to sign up for free, as it's 100% free. And once you sign up to the training, you're going to get redirected to this training area here. First of all, you need to watch this video very carefully and take action on the first things first by completing all the steps you see below this video. Don't rush, just watch this video carefully and follow the instructions. And once you completed the first section here by bookmarking the page, joining our Facebook group, subscribing to my YouTube channel, after that you're going to be able to start following the instructions in the rest of the training. Step 1 will show you how to update your profile properly. I'll show you how to add your payment details there. Step 2, I'll show you how to activate the recurring income and create your ads as well. So both things on the same video here. Activate the recurring income and create your ad. You need to watch this video very carefully and take action. Then after that, step 3 will explain to you the 4 minutes daily surfing task that you need to do on a daily basis in order to keep the traffic flowing. So yeah, you just need to watch this short video as well. The process is really simple. This task is really simple and it doesn't require any kind of skills. After that, step 4, I'll show you how to copy the bridge page of this funnel, which is this exact page that you came through here. I'll show you how to copy this exact page and add it to your LeadsLeap account and customize it with your own affiliate links and your personal details at the bottom here. You're going to be able to add your name and your contact details. And the process is really simple. It's just as simple as copy and paste. All you have to do is to watch this video where I'll explain to you exactly how to do that. Okay, now the 5th step in the training is actually optional, which is the pro funnel version. Now, by copying the bridge page in the previous step, you have the basic funnel version, which is great to get people to sign up through your affiliate link and convert them to signups in your 4 Freakin Minutes downline. But by getting the pro version, that's going to allow you to get even more benefits. And that is by customizing this training area as well, by adding all your affiliates and referral links here, and also getting viral traffic and viral leads. And that is by leveraging other people's efforts by getting them to build your email list and send you viral traffic on autopilot. Now, I don't want to explain everything about it here. All you have to do is to watch this video very carefully. And if you want to go for it, that's great. If you don't, that's fine. It's totally optional. Now, the final step in the training here is about traffic generation and marketing tools. You're going to find several traffic generation strategies here below the video. You need to watch this video carefully. Then pick the traffic sources that you want to use here. Okay, there are many of them here. And also at the bottom here, you're going to have access to marketing tools. So if you click on the marketing tools page, you'll be able to access some done for you banner ads, different sizes, email swipes here, and some text ads that you can use, and also some Facebook tools and images. And also, you'll have access to done for you capture pages. So if you want to send people firstly to a capture page, you have an option here to get some done for you capture pages. So yeah, you're going to find them here. There are a couple of capture pages here, and you're going to find the share codes as well under each one. And there is a training here to show you how to activate the autoresponder. So yeah, make sure to read through the information here before you take action. And to link the autoresponder, there are a couple of options here. If you want to use the Leasely built-in list manager, then you need to click here. If you want to use the third-party autoresponder, which is get response in our case here, you need to click on this button to access the training to show you how to do that. And that's for the capture pages. Also, there are some splash pages. There are a couple of them here. There is a training to show you how to use the splash pages. So you need to read through this text here, and also you can click on this button here. It says click here to go to splash pages training, and that's going to redirect you to this page. You can just watch those couple of videos to learn how to use those done for you splash pages. So that's all about the funnel and training. Now, let me share with you my actual result from my traffic campaign I created in the 4FM system, or 4 Freakin Minutes platform. Now, the click-through rate cannot be viewed here. Here I can see the actual clicks comes from those ads. The views are different from the clicks, okay? The actual clicks means people who saw my ad and actually click on that ad to learn more. So based on my own experience with the system, my ads created over 20% click-through rates. So 20% or even sometimes 30%. So between 20 to 30% click-through rate, that means out of every 100 people who view my ad, I get like 20 to 30 people to click on my ad, which is amazing actually. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you are going to get the same result because I don't know how you are going to create your ads. And the way you create your ad will depend on your membership level. The higher your membership level is, the better ad you can create. And that is by adding images in the ad, by changing the font, make it bigger, create those hyperlinks where people click on that text which says click here, and that's going to open the website on a new tab. Or maybe you are just free member. In that case, you will be able to create a basic text ad only. You won't be able to add images or hyperlinks. A very basic ad, which most probably going to get lower conversion rates. So I would recommend personally that you go for the gold membership or higher to get better results. Now, if you want to stay for free, that's fine. You're still going to get some results from the system. You're still going to get views and people to see your ad, but the higher your membership level is, the better and more attractive ads, and most probably and potentially you're going to get more clicks on that ad. Again, my results here are based on my own experience. I'm not guaranteeing anything for you ad. I don't know how you're going to be creating your ad, but my click-through rates are always more than 20%. And that is based on the short test I did on the website. So as you can see here, I got 26 unique visitors. And out of those 20% unique visitors who decided to click on my ad and see what it is about. Those are real high quality visitors, by the way. Those are not just views or traffic exchange clicks. Those people saw my ad, they view my ads on the platform, and they decided to click on my link to learn more about what I'm doing. So those are really high quality clicks. Please understand this. Now, out of those 26 unique visitors, I got 2 of them to take action and continue to the next step. So 2 out of 26, that is 7.69 action conversion rate, which is actually really good. Now, this action conversion rate, it could be some people who opt into my email list, some people subscribe to my website to learn more, or they just simply people click on the link on the next page to move on to the next step in my funnel. So it's like an engagement, okay? So as you can see here, the traffic quality based on my experience and my test is really, really good. 7.69% action conversion rate and more than 20 to 30% click-through rate is absolutely amazing. Now, at the end of this video, if you're ready to sign up for the 4 Freakin Minutes website, make sure to click on the first link in the description of this YouTube video, and that's going to redirect you to my marketing funnel, to the bridge page. Make sure to watch the video, follow the instructions there, sign up through my affiliate link, and get access to the training area. Also there, make sure to follow the instructions in order to learn how to set up your account, how to create your ads, and how to get the best out of the system following my training. So that's it for this video. I wish you great luck, and I'll see you on another video.